Hello, hello! Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Wicked Witch, or Zelena from Once Upon a Time. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned because Wicked always wins. This time I'm going to use a cream base makeup. I think this is from Makeup Revolution. It seems more like a oil-based to me. This is way more of a sheer, like it's not really very full coverage, but it's giving me a way better like base to contour on, so I'm gonna stick with it. I might just kind of build it, maybe add some other colors into it, but it doesn't look too bad. I feel like I look more like the color of Shrek right now, but that's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna add in some other colors. I'm gonna add a darker color to kind of contour her. I'm gonna use the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna use the green down here. Let's see, that's like a really true green color. Alright, now I'm going to use a darker shadow color to contour her. So I'm really just contouring all of my regular places, but with a darker green shade. And I might even tap into a little bit of a black shade at some point here, just to be like real dramatic. She is looking good. So I'm using a Morphe micro brow pencil in Almond because it's kind of like a red shade. And then I'm gonna do a really smoky eye and a red lip. I feel like I should do like green smoky. So she's all green and everything, because that's kind of her thing. I'm gonna use the MAC 24 Hour Extended Eye Base, because it is a crime not to prime, even if you're the Wicked Witch. So I'm starting with the same green from the Morphe palette, James Charles, that is on my face, just to have a kind of a base. So I started with this one just as a base, and now I'm gonna go in with this one in the crease. Alright, I'm gonna swap over to the Take Me Back to Brazil. The black in here, this sounds funny, but I feel like the black in here is gonna blend better with a green. So I'm going to use that for now. Let's see if I'm right. Ooh. Black and green is actually pretty. I'm gonna go below my eye with black and then do the same thing that I did on the top. It doesn't even look like black at all anymore, it just looks dark green, which is fine. Which is fine. I feel like she still needs more contour. It's not quite right. She's not quite right. Not quite right in the head, you know. Okay, I'm gonna use this kind of greenish gold shimmer from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Honestly, it's a pretty good palette. So I feel like she needs eyeliner too. Yeah, and I do actually want a wing. Okay, now I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna actually, yeah, I'm gonna highlight up here with that too. It's a good color. And I'm gonna highlight my face with that too. It's pretty. On the skin color. Okay, so I'm gonna use Lady Danger from MAC. It's this really like vibrant orangey red almost. This might not be her color, it's my color, but it ain't hers. I'm gonna put Ruby Woo from MAC over this just to make it, I mean, it looks pretty good, but I just want it even redder. So these ones are called Hey Big Head from Vanity Lashes. You really should put in contacts before makeup, they say, so that you don't get makeup in your eye with the contact, but I don't follow direction well, so here we are. Let's see. No, one last touch. Alright, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It means a ton to me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Remember, wicked always wins. Just kidding. I'm the nicest person ever. Don't be wicked. My neck, my back. Y'all know the rest. But honestly, my teeth look so white with green. I might as well just paint myself green every day. It's so hard once you mess things up with contacts on because now I can't see anymore. It's not fair.